Seeing a driver error in Device Manager. A yellow warning icon or error code can mean the driver needs attention. In this guide, I'll show you some simple ways to diagnose and fix common driver problems. First, open Device Manager and find the device showing the warning icon. Right-click it, select Properties, and check the General tab. Look at device status and note the error code or message. Before changing anything, restart your computer. A temporary Windows or driver issue can sometimes disappear after a reboot. Yeah, it's simple, but it's worth trying first. Next, return to Device Manager. Right-click the problem device, choose Update Driver, and select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will check for a compatible driver and install it if one is available. If Device Manager doesn't find anything, check Windows Update. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and select Check for Updates. Also check Optional Updates for available driver updates. If the error remains, you can reinstall the driver. Right-click the device, choose Uninstall Device, confirm the removal, and restart Windows. The system may automatically reinstall a compatible driver after the restart. If Windows still can't fix it, visit your computer or hardware manufacturer's official support website. Download the driver for your exact model and Windows version, then install it according to the manufacturer's instructions. After installation, return to Device Manager and open Properties again. Check device status and make sure the warning icon is gone. If the error continues, use the exact error code to find a more specific solution. And that's how to troubleshoot a driver error in Device Manager. Start with a restart, then try updating, reinstalling, or manually installing the official driver. So always match the driver to your exact hardware before installing it.